Hey sir, today I'm gonna discuss how to calculate the cargo quantity using a deadweight scale based on a given scenario. This is the given situation on a cargo quantity using deadweight scale. This is task 1. Calculate her maximum cargo loadable quantity using hydrostatic. So first, this is fuel oil, which is 200 metric tons, and this is the DO or diesel oil, which is 250 metric tons, and FW or fresh water is 300 metric tons. So ang constant is 200 metric tons divided by 2,750 metric tons. So the target draft is 9.3 meters, and the displacement is 33,740.52 metric tons, and the light ship is 6,000 metric tons. So the dead weight is 27,740.52 mt or metric tons. So all you need to get this answer is to subtract these two. Subtract the displacement in the light ship or LS to get this dead weight 27,740.52 metric tons. So for non-cargo weight is 2,750 metric tons. All you need to do is to subtract again to get the max loadable. So you subtract this and you get 24,990.52 metric tons. This is the solution for task 1. So this is the task 2 of the cargo quantity using the deadweight scale. This is task 2. Calculate her cargo quantity difference in metric tons between her tropical draft and tropical draft using deadweight scale. So tropical draft is 9.40 meters. So the dead weight is 17,700 metric tons. For non-cargo is 2,750 metric tons. So all you need to do is subtract again to get the quantity of the given task, which is 14,950 metric tons. This is the scenario of the task 2. All you need to do is subtract the dead weight in the non-cargo weight to get the quantity. So this is the last task, the task 3. Calculate the cargo quantity difference in metric tons between her tropical draft and summer draft using hydrostatic. So tropical draft is 9.40 meters and the displacement is 34,143.31 metric tons. So the light ship is 6,000 metric tons. So the dead weight is 28,143.31 metric tons. So all you need to do again is to subtract this displacement in light ship to get the dead weight, which is 28,143.31 metric tons. For the non-cargo weight is the 27 or for the non-cargo weight is 2,750 metric tons. So all you need to do again is to subtract the dead weight and the non-cargo weight to get the max cargo weight, which is 25,393.31 metric tons. This is the tropical draft. So next is summer draft. 9.217 9.217 meters, and the displacement is 33,418.88 metric tons, and the light ship is 600 metric tons. The dead weight is 27,418.88 metric tons. So all you need to do to get the dead weight is to subtract again the displacement and the light ship. For the non-cargo is 2,700 metric tons. So same, this is the same minus, and this one is minus again to get the cargo weight, which is 24,668.88 metric tons. This is the summer draft solution. So the difference between the tropical draft and the summer draft is here. Difference is metric tons. 25,343.31 metric tons. This is for the tropical draft. This is the max cargo. And for the summer draft, this is 24,668.88 metric tons. So all you need to do again is subtract. This is the difference. 700 or 7,000, rather 729.48 metric tons. So here is the total of the each task. This is the given task. Task 1, task 2, and task 3. That's it for the topic, sir. Thank you.